Jai Hind student, today we are going to discuss the another important topic, that is poverty line. In order to define poverty, we normally divide people into two categories, the poor and the non-poor. Poverty line act as a cutoff point on the line of distribution which divide the population into two categories. These two categories are further divided into subcategory. In other words, we can say that poverty extent of poverty in a country is measured by poverty line, a cutoff point on the line of distribution which usually divide the population of country as poor and non-poor is called poverty line. Poverty line measures the number of people who live below poverty and their ratio to be a total population is poverty ratio. The poverty line indicates the income level which is just sufficient to buy the basic minimum quantity of food and a few selected non-food items. And to find the extent of poverty, the measures the number of poor in the country, the economists use the concept of poverty line. And determinations of poverty line means we can say that two method of estimating poverty line, that is expenditure method and income method. In expenditure method, under the expenditure method, the minimum nutritional food requirement for survival is estimated. The total minimum food required is first measured in calories. Calories is then converted into the money value, that is rupees. Means the money amount to minimum amount which required for the cloth, the requirement is added to the money value of food. This is total amount to be considered as the poverty line. All the family which spend less than the poverty line considered as a below the poverty line families. In India, the daily minimum nutrition required person have been fixed to 1400 calories in rural areas and 2100 calories in urban area. The next method is income method. Under the income method, the minimum per capita fixed like to the income was fixed at 859.6 per capita per month, and in urban area it was 672.8. If any family had less than the fixed income, it considered at a below the poverty line. That this method is used to distribute food and subsidy price through the PDS system. In other words, we can say that it is very important question to determine the poverty line. In post independent India, the concept of poverty line was based on the minimum daily calories intake. The poverty line defined on the basis of recommended nutrition requirement 2400 calories per person per day for rural areas and 2100 calories for urban areas. The people whose income is so low they are unable to purchase the desired calorie regardless the people below the poverty line. The monetary expenditure need to be for meeting these calorie requirements is revised upward periodically in taking into the consideration the rise in the price of the consumption. According to the 2010 report, the poverty line is estimated as an MPCE, means monthly per capita consumption expenditure of rupees 673 for rural areas and 860 for urban areas. And in 2013, the Planning Commission redefined the poverty line, has given the new estimate regarding the poverty. Now, people who spend less than 27 rupees or in rural areas and 33 rupees in urban area will consider below poverty line. In India, the poverty line is determined by the Planning Commission on the basis of data provided by the National Sample Statistical Organization (NSO). NSSO conduct the survey to capture the monthly per capita consumption expenditure of various sections of the society. A person is considered if his or her income or consumption level fall below the given minimum level necessary to fulfill the basic need. So what is necessary to satisfy the basic needs in different at different time and in different countries. Therefore, poverty line may be vary with time and place. Each country uses the imaginary line that considered appropriate for exacting level of development and accept minimum social norms.